हेलो, वेलकम और वेलकम बैक टू माई चैनल। ये करने की आदत कब जाएगी पता नहीं। सो आज हम करेंगे रिव्यू ऑफ अ प्रोडक्ट विच इज़ वेरी 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 पॉपुलर एंड ऐसा होता है कि बिकॉज वी यूज सो मच सोशल मीडिया we get influenced by people. I got influenced by people, by an influencer like me. So actually, if you don't, if you already don't know about this product, it's a powder wax, chocolate wax by this brand Faith and Patience. And what I assumed when I saw the advertisement and them talking about it so much and all, how I thought it is uh when they call it a wax, I assumed it is wax and it's going to remove the hair from the root, but unfortunately this is not going to be another video where I'm hyping up this product. If you're here for that, this is not the video for you, because I'm going to be sharing my personal experience, real experience with this product. And I do not believe in unnecessarily hyping up a brand that does not deserve a hype, right? We'll go by their claims first and then I'll share my additional experiences or my observations about this product. Slow and soft hair growth, no side effects, 10 minutes whole body wax, convenient and pocket friendly. Is it convenient? Maybe, like, depends what is your definition of convenience. When I think convenience, it should not like be super like very time consuming, or should not be difficult to use, and it should be very like the instructions to use should be very clear and all those things. With that, from that point of view, yeah, it is convenient to use. But is it pocket friendly? No. If you pay 800 rupees for itna tiny bag of product, I don't think it is pocket friendly. I'll tell you why. So now you're gonna be like, okay, you can cover so much of your skin, but I don't think you can cover your whole body with this one packet. Like, it is 1+1, so 200 gram, and I do not think you can cover your whole body with this product, firstly. Secondly, they are not claiming that your whole body can be like done with this packet, but I'm just telling you for your reference. So 800 rupees, okay, and then this. So I think it will cover both of your legs, because you're supposed to apply a very thick layer, okay? Because if you apply thin layer, it's not going to work, because I did that first. So because one of my friends told me that she applied and it was a little bit irritating and all those things. So you know what, I thought I'll just apply a very like basic layer, and then probably it will not affect me that much. So I did that, but it did not work. It did not remove the hair properly, so I applied a thick layer later on. So that's why I'm saying that it will not cover your whole body, first. Second, they say that 10 minutes whole body wax. Yeah, after you applied it, you are supposed to wait for 10 minutes, and then after 10 minutes also, it's not like you just wash it with water and it's all gone. You're supposed to take a wet cloth and just ragdo it on your body. Like, you have to really like it feels like you're scrubbing your body with the wet this thing, towel, because you have to be a little put a little bit of pressure to get rid of the hair, okay? So that. Secondly, no side effects. So I do not completely agree with that, because it irritated my skin as well. I got this it burnt my skin a little here. I did not use this product, by the way, even though they mentioned that I can use it on my upper lip for 5 minutes, but I used the product that they have specifically for face. This one. This is very tiny. So I used this one for upper lips, and it burned. So I'm supposed to keep it for 6 to 10 minutes, but I kept it only for 6 minutes. I still had this burn above my lips over here, which is not there because it's been more than a week since I used it. So it's all gone. Secondly, slow and soft hair growth. Slow, no. Soft, your regular hair only, like they're not doing anything additional to make it softer. So that, no, that is not happening with this one. Slow bhi nahi hai, because if you shave your face, so basically your regular, you know, hair growth, whatever your however long it takes for your hair when you wax it or when you shave it, not even wax, when you shave it, however long it takes for the hair to come back, ये भी उसको भी उतना ही टाइम लगता है. Easy to use and painless. Easy to use hair. Painless, I would say that yeah, it doesn't hurt when you are trying to remove the product from your skin, but yeah, you have to put so much pressure, and then it just gets your skin gets very irritated. If I don't know if it happened only because I have dry skin or something like that, but then they should mention that it is not suitable for dry skin or something like that. I don't know. So yeah, that. Now a few additional things that I'll tell you. If they're calling it wax and then they tell it in their advertisements that okay, it's slow growth, it removes the hair completely, you don't have to wax, falan dimkana and all those things. But when I applied it, I could literally see. So if you've used be it hair removal cream or any other hair removal cream that just burns the hair or melts it, just the hair that is visible, it doesn't go into the, you know, root, or it doesn't do anything to the root. So after you applied the product and removed it, you can still see that there's a, you know, hair on your body. Like you can see there are these dark spots, you know, there's something in your pore, black, but and you know that it's hair and you can't do anything to get rid of it because it's so deep into your skin that you can't do anything about it. It doesn't look good, and you cannot, you know, as I told you, you cannot get rid of it. You have to wait for the hair to come back so you can wax or shave or whatever you prefer doing. You can do that and then get rid of it. So if you want to, I'll just add a short video. We just applied this product on Pooja's leg, one leg, small area, and the same thing happened again. So I thought maybe it's just me or the way I applied. So I did it for the second time. I applied a very thick layer on her skin again, and we can literally see that there's a hair still on her body. It's not like completely gone, or it is basically, it's not removing the hair from the root. 10 minutes, हाँ 10 minutes तो हो गए हैं. Let's just wipe it. Let me zoom a little bit. मैं ना पिक्चर भी डाल दूंगी यार तो क्लैरिटी, बट भाई मुझे पिक्चर डालने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. Look at the amount of hair that is still there. The pores look so weird. और एक बार वाइप करो. नहीं, जस्ट फ्रॉम अ डिफरेंट साइड हो जाएगा.
इसका स्मेल
बहुत गंदा है स्मेल ना. सर में चल
सफोकेटिंग हो रहा है
भाई साहब. लुक एट द हेयर दैट इज अबव दैट. फिर उसमें नीचे देखो. डू यू थिंक वैक्स करने से हमें ऐसे आता है कभी भी? Like immediately after waxing you will never see anything like this in your body. So this is what I was telling you about. मतलब सोचो ये body है, मतलब you might be okay with this, but when you do this to your face and there's still hair there and it's all dark and dull and you can't do anything about it, it's just so frustrating. Okay, so that's why I did not like it, and the smell is so bad. Terrible smell, terrible. Like you cannot stand this smell. And while I was going through the comments, you cannot touch this product like at all with your hands. You have to use the brush that they are providing or use your own brush, but you cannot use a hand because it's so strong that it might, you know, melt your affect your nails. Lot of people were commenting all these things. So after reading and then experiencing all these things, I realized that, you know, these kind of products should not be you know, so easily available or so advertised or hyped so much, because it's clearly not safe. It doesn't deliver the things that they are not delivering the things they are promising. It's not pocket friendly, it's not convenient. It's overall such a bad product. Like in my opinion, I did not like it and I do not recommend it. Again, I'm saying this so many times, but I just entirely hate this product. And if it is burning so much, if it's causing so much irritation, I doubt that their claim that it removes tan and brightens your skin over time, I do not believe in that claim, and I do not want to keep on trying it so it can brighten my skin, because I'm clearly very worried about that. Yeah, so I think that's all I had to share about, like, that's like 10-11 minutes ka rant. I think that's pretty good, like, for the amount that I paid. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you find this helpful before you go ahead and give them your money. And I'll see you next time. Bye.